Hey y'all, Real Deal with Akins. Today we're going inside Akins, about to pull out the Space White we just sold, going to replace it with the Velocity Blue. And I got a few other things I want to show you. Let's go. Coming in the front door, y'all.
Here's Hollywood Cash.
There's Stoney and there's Jesse. How convenient. Jesse, you ready to film? You gonna film for me?
Ready. Come on.
How convenient. So this was going to be a solo shoot, but we got Jesse here. I want to, first of all, we don't get enough attention to Miss Diane or Miss Vicky, our receptionist.
We do not.
We don't get enough attention to them, so they're smiling right now. they're definitely smiling. So first off, before we jump into these two trucks, we still have the IndoRaptor for sale, y'all. Okay, this is still available. And there's Ride with Ron.
Hey man, what's going on?
Ron, do you have anything you'd like to say today?
I was just looking for you to check on that build we're doing for that guy on the 350 in Indiana.
Yeah.
How's it coming along?
I'm ready.
We're doing good?
I'm ready.
I was going to talk about tire sizes, but I saw what you've done out here today. You told me those have 34s.
34s.
This is 35, and over here this one.
35.
Now this Raptor with the W, the IndoRaptor, what's it got?
37.
37. I can go one bigger. This one right here, it's a 38. So we got you all covered from 34 to 38. No, I got nothing, man, except this truck is the bomb. What are you going to call it officially?
I mean, you had the IndoRaptor with a W.
Yep, we could do it's got one bullet right here.
Yeah.
So it could be the Barney Fife edition, but we could surely do better than that.
Jesse don't even know who that is, probably.
Well, I mean, he might know Gomer.
Okay. do you know who that is, Jesse?
Yeah, I know who that is.
Okay, all right. He's
I'm
not.
going to run.
Okay.
I'm going to leave you with it, but it's March, man. It's still madness around here.
Yeah?
Yeah, we got the Final Four in here.
I'm ready.
We're just playing it all day.
Got
With you.
Ride with Ron, okay?
Hey, Ride with Ron, Real Deal Neil, cash, save some cash with cash behind you.
Well, there you go.
There's a new one for me.
There you go. Perfect.
That's got to be it now.
I hope you're still watching the video, y'all. The IndoRaptor is still available. It's kind of my fault. I thought it was sold after 3 days, and I kind of published that it was sold. So it's still available. I mean, this bad boy Rambo edition is still available in all its glory. True one of one. So be sure to check this bad boy out. We'll put the link in the description below. Now to what the intended video was for. These two trucks. We just sold the Space White after 72 hours. We knew that one was going to go quick. We're going to add some leather in this one as well, but I want to show you level kit. So Jesse, come over here. We've got two different level kits. We've got our entry level, our most popular, the Readylift 2-inch hockey puck billet aluminum style spacer. It goes on top of your strut assembly right there. You can't see it, but there's a little billet aluminum spacer right there. It's a 2.5 hour install. All the factory articulation is maintained. Your struts are still going to have the same life on them. It's our #1 selling kit as far as level kits because it's in that sweet spot. $559 installed, including alignment. And just look at that stance. It's perfectly good and level on the 21s. And it's the best bang for your buck as far as price point to get you that stance so your wheel and tire combos can just set your truck off. Option number 2 is the Fox by Roush coilover system. It's a true replacement of your strut shock assembly. It has a coilover with the Fox Roush spring as well. Already preloaded at 2 inches, so ride quality is going to be more optimal on this kit, but it is $1,100 more, $1,689 for this kit here. You also get Fox shocks in the rear. Let's show them that, Jesse. So you got Fox shocks 2.0s in the rear too. So you're getting a little more value than just the coilover up front. You're getting that also. Everything's ready to roll. This one's sold. This one won't be long. Got the Velocity Blue coming in to replace it. So just a quick video for you today, guys, of the two level kits that are most popular for us on the 2021 trucks. You got your spacer style. Still a great ride quality, but the best is going to be the Roush Fox 2.0 coilover suspension leveling kit. So you got two options. We've got both here for display. This one's about to leave, so we're going to have another one coming right behind it. Let's show them one more good, maybe a little side shot of these two trucks. Leveled on 34s and leveled on 22s. You got your basic kit in the Oxford white and the coilover in the space gray. Boom. Now, putting them on the spot, what does Jesse think about the Raptor behind us?
Ooh, I think it's been here too long.
It's been here too long. It has been here too long.
I personally, this morning, was shocked that it's still here. I thought it has lasted way too long. Me and Neil were just talking about it. It needs to get out of here. Not because we don't want to see it anymore, but because it needs to sell. This thing is too nice to be sitting in a showroom. It needs to be out on the road somewhere.
Yep. So we had a great time reviewing this truck.
Yeah.
It's our most special Raptor we've ever done. Okay, y'all, so the end of this video is completely changed. I was about to publish this video that you just watched, but I have to tell you, the Raptor is sold. So information on the covert still stand. Space White sold. Date and show them the Velocity Blue. That one replaced the Space White, but the IndoRaptor is gone, y'all. So sorry, it was a beauty, but it's gone.